Guys, welcome back to Rozzy Kitchen. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I made my tomato sauce. So guys, these are all the things I'm going to be using to make my tomato sauce. So red pepper, green pepper and onions and scent leaf and garlic and ginger. So here is my tomatoes, my box of tomatoes. So I'm just going to wash them right now and start cutting them. So I'm going to steam all these things together. So guys, join me and grab that apron and let's start making this tomato sauce together. Enjoy watching, guys. So guys, we're just going to wash everything together now. So I turn the tomatoes in my zinc, my clean zinc. So I'm going to wash everything. First, let me just wash the tomatoes first. Wash it nice and clean. And then the pot. There's a lot of water, some water. Just going to take it out because I don't want to be adding water in the pot. So I'm going to steam it with its own juice. You know, tomatoes have a lot of juice itself, so it's going to cook its own juice. Do with everything. So I'm just going to repeat the same thing. So I'm going to do the rest off camera, guys. So see you guys. Hey guys, oh my goodness, look at my eyes. So you can see what I'm going through right now. So the tomatoes, the onions, the pepper, the green pepper, all of them together, I've sliced them. They're all in the pot right now, so we are going to steam them together. So I'm just going to turn up the stove to the high heat right now. So I just want it to boil out of its own juice. You know, tomatoes have a lot of water, so except you are using a very strong tomatoes, maybe you can as well add water to it. But you can see when I was cutting these tomatoes just now, slicing them, there was a lot of water. So let's just see, guys, let's see how the juice will come out. Let me see. So I don't just want to add water to it. So if probably there's no water coming out of it, maybe I can add water, but I'm sure because tomatoes has a lot of water and these tomatoes has a lot of water. So let's just go. So I'm going to be covering it right now. So please, can you help me with the cover of the pot, please? I have a lot of visitors in my kitchen. so just thank you. So I'm just going to leave it like about 20 minutes, but before then I'll have to be shaking it up, stirring it. So we are going to be doing this together, so you can do it your own way though. Yeah, let's do this thing, man. Enjoy what catch form in your kitchen, baby, you know now. So see you guys. So guys, there's a lot of water coming out. There's a lot of juice, a lot of tomato juice is coming out. So I guess we're okay. So I'm just going to stir it together. Make sure you are stirring it. Guys, we're back. Let's see tomatoes. Look at the juice water. It has a lot of water. So if you are wondering why I changed my pot again, I think the pot was too deep, so I just want you guys to be seeing it well. Because this one is a bit wider than the other one. That one is too deep, so I have to change the pots. Okay, switch this. Okay guys, so this is why this is one of the reason why I'm steaming it, because I want the back of the tomatoes to be well soft, and when I'm blending them it will all blend together and mix well. So that is one of the reasons why I'm steaming the tomatoes. So guys, so and the ginger and the garlic, so I don't have to boil them with them. So why? Because I still want the flavor to be fresh and and new. So I don't want to steam that one, so I don't want to boil it. Then I have to cook them with the tomatoes now. I'm just going to blend them together with it, just like that. So guys, look at the tomatoes juicy. Oh baby, and it smells so nice. I'm going to turn off the camera. I'm going to turn off the sorry, I'm going to turn off the cooking gas now, so we'll cool down a little bit before blending them, before I start blending the tomatoes. So I'll just allow it to cool down. The ginger and the garlic, they are here, so I'm going to add tomatoes to it and blend them right now. And turning to the pots. So you are going to blend to your taste. As you can see, it's very smooth and nice. Going to blend again. Hey guys, we are through blending the tomatoes. Wow, how did you see this tomato sauce? The tomato sauce, so I'm just going to let it steam out. Wow. So right now I'm going to turn off the stove to low heat, so I don't want my tomato sauce to get burned. So I'm just going to slice the leaf inside the scent leaf, so we can use this for stew, jollof rice, pizza. So yeah, that's homemade sauce for you. Wow, I like the way it scents. So I'm just going to allow it to steam. I'm just going to wash the leaf now, slice them. This is amazing, oh wow! This is scent leaf. I've not really seen it. Oh my goodness, this is amazing. Now, I didn't know before. I haven't seen this leaf. Just look at it. This is just scent leaf now, guys. I haven't told. This is just my first time. And the way the thing's scenting, just like back home. Oh my goodness. Guys, if you have seen a scent leaf here in Canada before, please just let me know. Write a comment down below for me to know. So happy seeing this leaf well. So I'm just going to add it to my can't believe the nice aroma that I'm feeling here right now. Wow. Look at my homemade sauce. My homemade sauce is here. Tomato sauce. So guys, I guess we are just going to turn the stove off, so I'm just going to let it cool down. So, wow. I think it's okay like this, so I'm just going to turn the stove off. I like to cool down, then okay. Nice and well cooked. Then we can come back for it when it's wet. When it's cooled down, then I can turn them to my can, to my plastic rubber. So our tomato sauce is ready. Just for us, good and take it and just make sure you use it to cook whatever. Our tomato sauce is ready, guys. So it have cooked down, and I steam it about 2 hours. So my plastic rubber is clean and nice. So I'm just going to pour them inside the rubber and put them inside the freezer. At any time I want to use them, I can get it from there. And if I'm going to be using the sauce for so many things like stew, those big plastic rubber are for stews, the small ones are for jollof rice. I'll just add tomato paste to them. So guys, easy peasy. Hey guys, thank you for watching. I hope you learned something. And guys, if you have just bobbing in, this is Rozzy Kitchen and you're hearing my amazing voice again. And guys, if you are yet to subscribe, please subscribe, like, and press the notification button. Anytime I upload a new video, you'll be notified. Thank you guys for subscribing. And for my old subscriber, thank you. For the new one, thank you guys. Remain blessed and keep safe. Always love yourself, love your neighbor as you are loving yourself. So guys, see you guys in the next video and remain healthy. I see you next time. Bye.